So welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to be detailing the beams, and let's see how it is. So this is beam on grid line D6 to 4, which is this beam. So we can see it now. At the top here I need 1379, and also at this top here I need 1086. So what I can do is, for more practical sense, is I can just take this reinforcement on top and extend it towards this side. Then for the bottom I need 745, and this place I need nominal reinforcement. So look at how I detailed it. Now in this place, I know for this place I need 3H25, so I'm sending my reinforcement inside. Then at the bottom I need 4H16, so this place I need 2H16, and this place on top I need 3H or 2H16 because it's nominal reinforcement here. So you can see the way I'm sending, and you see the way I'm lapping my reinforcement. Okay, so let's look at the bending moment diagram. So bringing out the bending moment diagram, so you come here, select this, choose the combo you want, factored combo, and I'm choosing maximum only. Apply, click OK. Now you can see it. For this top reinforcement, I can only lap it somewhere around this place, the place of contraflexion. That's where I can terminate it. So I can decide to stop my 3H25 somewhere around here. Now to get that length, all you need to do is select the beam, right click on it, and it brings it to you. So what you do is just move the beam to wherever you want. So if I move the beam here, I can look at this point and see the distance. So what I just do now is, for my top reinforcement, I'll select it and lap it a little bit inward to my bending moment, because if I lap it here, there's still chances of failure. So I'll lap it a little bit into it. But for my bottom reinforcement, I have to lap it somewhere where there's low bending moment, so somewhere around here. So I'll start my bottom here and end it somewhere here. I can't just lap at the middle point because there's moment at that point and it's dangerous to what we are doing. So looking at my top reinforcement now, the 3Y25, I can decide to lap it somewhere here and start another 3Y25 here again and lap it somewhere here, and continue with my 2H16 top and bottom. And this one too, for the bottom I'm going to provide 4H16, and here, so if I'm to provide my 4H16, I'll lap it close to the support and close to this. So there's a rule that says for the top bar you lap it at the midpoint, while for the bottom bar you lap it at the support. So let's see my detailing. You can see it. For my top bar now, I lap it close to the midpoint, while for my bottom bar I lapped it close to the support. So my syrup now, I'm using H10 at 125 center to center, like I've explained on how to calculate this. Then this other side I'm using H10 at 300 center to centers. Okay, so we are done with that, and thank you for watching today's video on beam detailing. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much.